Okay everyone, so I bought these from Halfords, 40 quid. Let's get a better look underneath this bad boy. Okay, so as you can see, it's not looking very good. So what I am thinking, I've ordered a new one of these that comes with the exhaust, and there should be the connector back to that, I believe. But I need a temporary solution. I need a temporary solution so that I can go to work. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna buy a piece of tube like this, and I'm gonna lift this back up and connect this into this, okay, with some tubing, and I'm gonna get a clamp. Once the tubing's inside this and they're aligned again, I'll clamp it, and I'll buy some thermal paste to put around there and put around there. So we're gonna give that a go. My only concern is this. What is this? And how shit is this? It's looking pretty nasty. Let's see. Hopefully it should just lift. I mean, looking at it, it does. That looks fairly secure considering. So I just need to get the pipe. So I'll report back.